Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD Beta video. So today we are doing another residential loop test. I find doing the residential loop test, internal roads have more snow, so it's a little bit more of a rough condition for FSD Beta, and it does make it a little bit more difficult. We had some fresh snow, maybe around like an inch. So before we head out, please don't forget to like my video, and if you are watching and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my video. Hit the notification button so that you can be alerted whenever a video drops. So let's put in our first waypoint and we'll see how FSD will do. So now we're engaged. Automatically puts its high beams wide up. Stops nicely for that stop sign. Proceeding cautiously. Getting too close to that curb. I really can't make out where that sidewalk or the side of the road is, so let's see how it does this. So I can make out the road over here, or like the limits of the road, of the sides. Not too bad. All right, pauses, creeps forward. Nicely done. Should pause over here. Nicely done. Very nicely done. And we've reached our first waypoint. Okay, so on this road we have, I think, like one car that made its path throughout this road. So not too bad that FSD Beta is able to drive through that. It's a very smooth turn over there, or transition to a right turn. Have a left turn coming up. Very nicely done. It's very cautious on those turns. This is really good. I'm really enjoying this. Oh, and we have like 3 bunnies on the middle of the intersection. I don't think it picked that up on the visualization. Okay, so we have a right turn coming up. Slowing down. Nicely done. Alright, so at this intersection we can't see the stop line. It is a red light though, so let's see where the car's gonna stop. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, like, we're still not that close to the stop line, if you like, but this is a great position to stop. We've got the green light. Very nicely done. So nice slow left turn. Excellent for these conditions. I did bump down the speed like maybe 15 kilometers an hour, so it's perfect. I mean, this road's supposed to be 60 at good conditions, and we're driving at 46. So over here it struggles to make out where's the straight line, or yeah, so it's a little bit of a wobble, went a little bit right and left, so it doesn't really know, but then once it found a car, it was able to gauge. It'll be interesting to see without the car. We'll probably gauge it depending on the traffic light on the intersection. So again, it's very early over here. It's around 5:30. I'm getting up very early to do these tests, especially if we have like a lot of snow falling last night or something like that. So just to be able to take that opportunity for fresh snow on the road. And I really want the whole road to be covered with snow. So we are turning left over here. It should slow down. Yeah, and we're braking. Oh, yeah, and I'm gonna brake for that one. We're going way too fast for that turn. Way too fast. All right, so I'm gonna report that one. So on this road, we can see it's completely covered with snow. We've got snow hitting us right in the front of the car. We've got like almost zero pathways. It can still detect the limits of the road. Even though it's a wide residential road, it's really impressive. Very impressive. I'm really happy with this. We are hitting a school zone, but it's still before 7, so we can still drive over 30. It's so smooth. It's going like straight on. It's not being jerky or wobbly or anything. And we have 0 lane markings. 0 lane markings. I don't even know where the limits of the street is. Excellent. Very well handled. So we've arrived our first destination or second destination. So I'm going to just reverse over here because I want to go through that pathway. So here we go. It was giving me the full self-driving unavailable due to poor visibility or poor conditions. It widens up for this turn, not too bad. It thinks that the pathway over here is a yellow line, but it's not. Gets a little bit too close to that car. Okay, so we're getting into a tight residential road over here, and the whole road's covered with snow, untouched snow, so that's really nice. It'll be really interesting to see how the car does, and it's doing very well so far. Can detect all the cars. Doesn't have the auto high beam on right now. Again, this is all FSD Beta. This is insane. This is really good. It is widening up a little bit here. Okay, it detects cars that are parked, goes around them. No issues at all. Very nicely done. Very impressed with this. Piece of cake. Love it. Really good. Oh, and it's getting too wide over here. We are getting close to the sidewalk. That's a little bit too wide for my liking. But it didn't stop. It was a smooth transition, which I like. Let's see how it handles this right turn. Does slow down. There's no cars. Should be able to go. That's nice. That's a nice transition for a yield sign. It doesn't stop completely, but it's almost at that transient speed limits. Excellent. Love it. So we have a left turn coming up. Oh, it should. Okay. Going a little bit too fast. Okay, so we're signaling left. There's a car coming up on our right. There's a bus that's stopped right now. Does go next to. I am going to push the accelerator a little bit, just because we are on our. I'm gonna disengage here because we reached our destination. Alright, engaging back, FSD Beta. Oh, and should brake over here. Nicely done. Nicely done. It's a yellow sign, a yellow traffic light, and it does start braking. So it's creeping forward right now. It's clear on our left, so we should be able to go. Very nicely done. Excellent. Love it. I'm going to help it a little bit with the windshield. Clean that front camera a little bit. It does tend to get a little bit foggy. Let's see how it handles this traffic traffic intersection over here. There is a car on our left, so a little bit cautious about that. There's a car right behind us. It is turning left, so we should be okay. It should stop nearby. Stop. Come on, stop. Oh. And I did kind of touch the brake pedal over there. Okay. You can go. I'm gonna hit the autopilot snapshot button over there for that one. I feel like it was going to stop, but it was probably going to stop in the middle of the intersection. Alright, picking its right lane over here. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, so our right turn's coming up over here. I'm hoping it does slow down quite a bit for this one. It always tends to be a little bit too fast for my liking. Oh, nice. And we're getting a little bit of a break, which is cool. That's exactly what I need. Nice. And I'm very confident to leave it on right now. So it does that very nicely. I am so happy with that one. Last time it was just going too fast for my liking, and we had to disengage, and we were sliding a little bit, so that wasn't good, so good. But this time around it was really good. So this is a very stressed situation. You've got a left turn coming up. It doesn't know where it is. It's got two lanes that are going straight. It's struggling to know where it is. So you can see it goes left and right over here. It doesn't really know where to how to go straight, but still does it. Like it changes lanes for no reason, but it still drives nicely. So we've got a stop sign coming up over here. We've got another left turn, I think, after this, and we should be wrapping up soon. So it does stop. Nicely done. It should proceed. Intersection is clear. Oh wow, that's really good. Nice left turn over there. It gets pretty confused on that intersection when it's empty like that and filled with snow normally. So yeah, not too bad. I really like this release version. I feel like it's getting better and better. Obviously 69.3 is coming up soon for us new testers. If you do like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. We'll do this left turn coming up soon, and then I'll sign off. Nice stop, creeping forward. It's clear on the right and on the left hand side, so should be able to go. Nicely done. Yeah, not too bad. I think three disengagements. I mean, we normally get around 1 or 2 disengagements when we have perfect conditions during summer. So not too bad. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.